believe it's very important to spread the awareness about such topics like application security and especially security of the critical banking systems. And we have a very nice feedback from the crowd, a lot of questions, a lot of interest. So I believe we can bring some more value and more expertise to the Bahraini market.
The session was very insightful. We learned a lot. There was engagement between the presenter and the attendees. We have learned a lot of practical skills that were demonstrated to us, which opened our eyes to multiple attack vectors that can happen.
We as Positive Technologies, we're very delighted to come to Bahrain and partner with VirtuThinko, who's a strategic partner. So I think there's a lot that we as Positive Technologies can offer to the customers in Bahrain, and I think partnering with VirtuThinko is one of the strategic steps that we've taken as a vendor to come into the region.
We'd love to work closely with a partner who really have the same DNA. And working with VirtuThinko exactly matches our approach and way of working.
The idea of the workshop for the banks and financial sector was generally to demonstrate the capabilities of Positive Technologies. And as many of the visitors have seen, it was a very deep technical sessions. We have demonstrated how the penetrations for the different POS systems happen, how the penetration to different ATM systems might happen, how the penetration to the different digital infrastructure of the banks can happen.
At VirtuThinko, we protect businesses with expert cybersecurity services. We migrate assets securely to the cloud. We optimize performance with tailored solutions, and we assess vulnerabilities to provide cutting-edge security.